Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Descript for AI meeting summaries, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Descript website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Select the option to create a new account. You can choose to sign up using your email address. Alternatively, you can sign up using a Google or Microsoft account. If using an email, fill in your email address and create a password. After filling out your information, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Descript. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the Descript website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the dashboard. Locate the AI Meeting Summaries feature. Click on it to explore the AI tools available for meetings. Open or upload a meeting recording you wish to summarize. Allow the AI to process the recording. Once processing is complete, review the generated summary. Edit or adjust the summary if necessary. Finally, save your summary and share it as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. And if the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.